So my name is Simona Skerjanec. I am the global head in neuroscience product strategy at Roche. Roche is a founding partner to Institute of Health Metrics and Evaluation for the Brain Health Collaborative, which constitutes a number of diverse stakeholders important for reducing the burden of brain health conditions. It was founded after the Brain Health Atlas was launched last year, about a year ago, and has been growing ever since. I think everybody recognizes the complexity of the challenge with something like brain health and reducing the burden of brain health conditions. So for me, collaboration across different industries, public-private partnerships with educators, patient organizations, healthcare professionals is going to be key. And I believe everybody's talking about collaboration and building bridges. I think everybody is keen to take a next step and develop specific goals to reduce the burden of healthcare conditions. I think specific policy actions that either at the global or regional, but most importantly at the local level, I think are going to make the biggest difference. I would like to be at the meeting like this in 5 years' time and celebrate some specific and practical achievements and have the ability to measure that with some kind of brain health index that would show us that we're making progress. Reducing the burden of brain health conditions is important, and it's important because it preserves what makes people who they are as social beings, who they are as members of their family, preserves their independence, physical, mental, and economic. And I think that's ultimately why we want to do this.